Having trouble seeing products in your Tesco app? The most common culprit is location services. The Tesco app relies on your device's GPS to show you products available at your nearest store or delivery zone. First, ensure location services are enabled for the Tesco app in your phone's settings. On both Android and iOS, go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services, and make sure Tesco is set to Always or while using the app. If it's already enabled, try toggling it off and on again. GPS inaccuracies can also cause issues, especially in rural areas. If you're still having problems, manually select your store within the app. This overrides GPS and can force the correct product list to load. Also, check your internet connection, as a weak signal can prevent the app from accessing location data and inventory. If location isn't the problem, incorrect substitution settings or overly restrictive filters might be hiding products. In your shopping cart, check the substitution settings. If substitutions are turned off, the app might not display products that are temporarily out of stock, even if alternatives exist. Try enabling substitutions to see if more items appear. Next, review your applied filters. Common filters include dietary preferences like vegan or gluten-free, price ranges, and promotions. Clear any filters that might be too specific, as they can inadvertently hide products. To clear filters, navigate to the filter menu and select Clear All, or manually deselect each filter. Finally, ensure your app is up to date. Tesco frequently releases updates to address glitches related to filters and substitutions. Check the App Store or Google Play for the latest version.